Hi guys, welcome to Bharat Tech Talks, your very own technology channel. Guys, we all use our smartphones and we love our smartphones, right? And one of the very important aspect of these smartphones is the battery which they have. Now today what we are going to talk about is how you can maintain 100% battery health on your iPhones and enjoy your iPhones for a longer duration of time. Now guys, before we move into this topic, let's try to understand what this battery health is all about. So suppose your iPhone is having a battery capacity of say 5000 mAh, right? So if your iPhone is showing a battery health of 100%, it means that your iPhone is charging and holding a charge of 5000 mAh completely. Now guys, suppose if your iPhone has got its battery degraded, suppose that it has degraded by 10% or 20%, then that degradation means that over a period of time your battery has lost the charge. Now if I say that your battery has lost 20% charge, it means 20% of 5000 mAh, that comes out to be 1000 mAh. That means is that now your iPhone is having a battery holding charge capacity of 4000 mAh, which was earlier 5000 mAh. Now what this means is guys, that your phone would charge to 100% completely, but its charge providing capacity would be 4000 mAh instead of 5000 mAh, which was there present originally, right? So I hope you got this point. So battery health guys is very important aspect of your iPhone, or in fact any phone, and we should try to keep it at the maximum. Also guys, in the concept of battery health, there comes another concept which we call battery cycles, which you all might have heard of. Now according to Apple guys, Apple officially itself says that their iPhones, when they have completed 500 charging and discharging cycles, the battery of your iPhone that nearly falls by 20%. Now you might be wondering what this cycle is, battery cycle is. Now to make it simple, let's keep it this way. Now a battery charging cycle means that suppose when you have charged your phone from 0 to 100% and you have discharged it from 100 to 0%, again that completes one charging and discharging cycle of the battery, right? So when you charge your phone from 0 to 100% and then discharges from 100 to 0, that completes one cycle. And according to Apple, when 500 cycles are completed guys, the battery should degrade by 20%, and that is perfectly okay. Now so the main thing is that how we can increase the battery life on our iPhones and how we can maintain a very good battery health on our iPhone so that we can use them over a longer duration of time. So guys, the points which I am going to tell you, please keep these points in mind and use them, and you will definitely see a vast improvement in the battery health of your iPhones. So number one in this is that guys, always use genuine Apple cable and charger. Now the original cable and charger which come with iPhone, they are of very good quality and they provide a very good charging on your mobile phones. Now in case what we all in the habit of doing is that when that iPhone cable breaks down or the charger gets faulty, we buy some cheap Apple charger or a cable from the market. Now these cables and charger guys, they definitely affect the battery health of your iPhone and they degrade the battery health of your iPhone. So never ever use these low quality chargers on your Apple iPhones. Also, if you are not going to buy an say original Apple charger or cable, what you can do is that you can buy a MFI, that is made for iPhone cable and charger, right? So number one point is that always use genuine Apple cable and charger. We should do is that we are all in the habit of charging our phone from 0 to 100% and then we discharge it completely by playing games and watching videos till the battery falls to 0. Always avoid this habit because this definitely degrades the battery health of your iPhone. What you should do is rather is that keep a range from 20% to 90%. What this means is that when your battery falls to say near about 20%, put your phone on charging, and when that your phone has charged from 20% to say 90 or 95% at the most, disconnect your phone from the charging and start using it. But never ever completely charge it from 0 to 100 and discharge it from 100 to 0, because when you discharge your battery to 0%, right, it puts maximum pressure on the battery health and your battery starts degrading very rapidly, and it affects the battery health of your iPhone, right? So never do this. Guys, you also might have seen that whenever we go out for say shopping, many people, they are in the habit of keeping their iPhones on the dashboard, and particularly when your car is say parked in sunshine. Now what happens is that if you are leaving your iPhone on the dashboard, or you are keeping your iPhone in the glove box, and that car is placed in parked in sunshine, what happens due to that greenhouse effect, the temperature inside the car that is even 10 to 15% more than the outside, right? So what happens due to that? The temperature of your iPhone rises, and that heat definitely affects the battery health of your iPhone. From this, guys, also remember that particularly in the summers, when the temperatures they rise to 40 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius, try avoiding your phone in direct sunlight, because in such high temperatures the temperature of the phone may rise even above 50 degrees centigrade, and that would affect the battery health of your iPhone. Because what happens due to heat is that your mobile phone, the battery, it starts discharging rapidly. You might have also seen that when you are using your phone in sunlight or in extreme heat temperatures, the battery, it starts falling rapidly. So always keep your phone away from the heat. Don't use your phones in high temperatures. And also, guys, make it a habit that when you are charging your mobile phones, avoid playing heavy games on your mobile phone, because what happens is that when you have put your phone on charge, the battery is already heating up, right? So you might have also observed this, that when you have put your phone on charge, the battery is heating up, and when you are playing your games like PUBG or any heavy graphic games, the temperature of the phone rises. It puts pressure on the battery, because what is there in the battery is chemicals, and these chemical reactions, when they start taking place rapidly, they increase the temperature of the battery, and that affects the health of the battery even more. So remember this, that don't use your phone in high temperatures. Don't use your phone extensively when you have put your phone on charge, right? Don't keep your mobile phone charging at night. What most of us do is that we put that charging cable in the mobile phone in the night, and the phone goes on charging overnight. No doubt there are circuits in the phone which prevent overcharging of the phone, but still it affects the battery health of the phone in a very bad manner. So avoid keeping your phone on charge throughout the night. Charge it from 20% to 90%, as I've told you earlier, and do this in the morning or whenever you have time, but don't leave your phone on charging, particularly in the night. Also, guys, do remember this point, that whenever you are charging your phone, if you can remove the case of your phone, what that would do is that since on charging the temperature of your phone rises, when you keep that when you place your cover of your phone aside, your phone would dissipate the heat properly into the environment, and that would also keep your phone cool, and that would help in maintaining good battery life on your iPhone. So guys, these were some basic points and ideas which I wanted to share with you. I hope that you will follow these ideas, and I'm sure that when you will follow these points, you would definitely get a better battery life on your iPhone, and your iPhone battery would last for 3 to 4 years and even more if you make a habit of using these or practicing these ideas on regular basis. So guys, I hope that you have liked the video, and if you do, kindly hit that subscribe button and share the video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to Bharat Tech Talks, because this is the channel where you get the real information. Thank you guys for watching this Bharat Tech Talks video, and as usual, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.